Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I kind of wanted to do kind of like a natural glam makeup look. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Eyes are nice and primed. Now let's go right into the eyeshadow. For an eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to use the Haus Labs Glam Room 1 eyeshadow palette. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette to use for when I'm doing kind of like a glam look. Not just because it has glam in the name, but yeah. So let's dive in. So I'm going to start with this shade in the palette. This one is called Camo. I'm going to take it on a Sephora blending brush like this one. I'm going to start by putting this in the crease. With the Morphin M433 brush, I'm going to take the color Contort, which is this deeper brown shade. I'm going to take it on the tip of the brush and put this on the outer part of the eye. And in the crease just a little. With my finger, I'm going to take Spotlight. We're going to apply this to the lid. We're going to add in sparkle. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Mighty Morphin. Then I'm going to dip into Contour again and just darken the outer part of the eye. Then to blend everything, I'm going to use the Morphin M453 brush. For lashes today, I'm going to use the Ardell Dmi wispy lashes. I actually do have to trim them, so I'll be right back. Okay, for foundation, I wanted to do a little bit more of a full coverage foundation. So this is from The Ordinary. This is the coverage foundation. This is like one of my favorite foundations. I'm going to take 2 pumps on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty All Over Face brush. Concealer, I'm going to use my favorite concealer. This is the Jafra Cream Concealer in Light. I always like to blend this concealer in with my finger. Just at the under eye area, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Original Powder Foundation in Fairly Light. I'm also going to set T-zone. Oh, and this is from the Morphe face brush set. Then with the bigger brush, I'm going to set the outsides of the face. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Estée Lauder Bronze Goddess in medium. For blush, I'm going to take the Jafra powder blush in Rose Orro. For a highlight, I'm going to use the Jafra highlight stick in Bubbly. I like to use my finger to apply this. I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take camo again, and we're going to place this underneath the lower lash line. And I also want to take contort, which is deeper brown shade, and we're going to apply this at the outer part of the eye. Now I'm going to do the lips. So I'm going to take my Jafra liquid matte lipstick in the color Cupid's Kiss. Normally I would go in with a lip liner, but I don't have a red lip liner, so I'm going to skip that. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Bear With Me multitasking spray. Okay, for today's Bible verse, it's Psalm 19:14. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, O Lord, my rock and my redeemer. Again, that was Psalm 19:14. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Bye!